Ben Gouldson joining you for this week's edition of CGConnect, brought to you by Clifford Gouldson Lawyers. CGConnect is our weekly video blog where we share with you the experiences we, our clients and our referrers are having on topical issues for business across the region. This week, I thought I'd share with you some experiences we've had and clients of ours have had in the property and commercial area of our practice. People are not so aware of the fact that during 2010 to about 2013, there were some electrical cables imported and sold at various Bunnings, Masters, True Value, Home Hardware and other suppliers. And that electrical cable has some defects associated with it. The electrical cable is either called Infinity or Olsent, and there are around about 40,000 properties affected throughout Australia. Now, those cables are the subject of an ACCC, the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission recall, and that recall's been around for a while now, but we're finding that not many people are aware of the recall and what that means when you're selling or buying a property. When we're acting for clients buying commercial or residential properties, we're raising the issue with our clients, including advising our clients to consider including a special condition in the contract, getting some warranties or promises from the vendor that none of the wiring in the property is Infinity or Olsent cabling. The risk with this cabling is a fire hazard or an electrocution hazard, and the time period where this risk arises for Queenslanders is heading into the 2018 year, somewhere between 2016 and 2018, but most of the risk arises in around the 2018 year. So what that means is that the insulation or the cabling's insulation, it's perishing. It's not withstanding the conditions, and the electrical wires are becoming exposed, therefore creating a fire hazard or an electrocution hazard where that cabling sits. Now, we've also taken steps to lobby the government and the Queensland Law Society about reforms to standard contracts in Queensland to try to get some standard contractual obligations imposed. But in the meantime, we're giving advice to our commercial and property clients to make sure that we impose obligations on vendors to rectify the cabling or to warrant that there is no such Infinity or Olsent cabling in the premises that might be purchased. So it's a serious issue, and I thought it was worth sharing our experiences from our property and commercial team. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out to our property and commercial team. Until next time we speak, all the best to you, your family and your business. Bye-bye.